Hi there. In this quick video we will be taking a look at this ruler and level with handle. This one. As you can see, 1 meter long, has this adjustable mark, so you move it where you want and you will remember the measurement. Various predefined angles if you need one of those, and straight, and this one also straight, but you can also take this one out, so you can also use it for really small things. Let's open it. Oh, also another one here, didn't even see it, so it has two of these. Let's get it out, put in the handle, and we will be replacing this old and beat up one. This was not measuring straight anymore, so it was close to useless. I would always need to put it on two sides and somehow approximate when it's okay or not. Hopefully this will be much better. Unboxed it, installed the handle with the 4 included screws right in the middle, so it's quite well balanced. It's really light, so aluminum. And on top, as you can see, it's starting from 0 to 50 in both sides. So if you need to make two holes at a certain distance between them, you just put, I don't know, 12 here, 12 here, and you have 24 between them. Put this, make sure it's level, and be done with it. You also have 4 sockets. This measurement, it seems it's quite a standard one, 72 millimeters. You see it, I think we have 3 holes at 72 millimeters between them, between each. Then we have some diameters in here. This is just to hang it onto the wall, so I will do that with mine, which is great. Here are the available angles if you need any, and this thing pops out. And not only that it pops out, it's also magnetic. And then it has these little bolts with springs that it pops right back in. But yeah, you need to pop it in with this particular side in here, so it looks nice. What they are trying to tell us in here, I have absolutely no clue. So if you have an idea, feel free to chip in. Feel free to pause to read any of the instructions if you need to. And a bit of info right here about what I already showed you. So yeah, there's that. Let's put this to good use because we are installing an AC unit. Making sure the support is level right there. Obviously that one says the same thing, but I cannot really reach to show you that well, but this is the one that I'm checking. And yeah, we are marking directly with the support on the wall. I'm not using this to measure the distance in the end, simpler to just mark through the support. Make sure you have the middle of the AC on the wall, and then a middle of the support also marked, and I just moved it, so I need to readjust it. Just wanted to point something else out. If you use this to mark something really long, for example, this would annoy you, because no matter where you put it, when you are trying to mark on the edge of this, you will hit it if it's longer than half of it. But then again, simply go to the end and you can get it out. And now you have basically a long straight edge which is raised enough so you don't go over it. It's, yeah, perfect. So let me do this. I've also used this a few times up until now, and I must say it's really handy. If you have something metal, just stick it to it and it stays there, shows the level. But even if it's, I don't know, something else, you can obviously put it on the side and it will again show the level. This will be speakers in another video. If you are interested, just subscribe. As you can see, not falling off. So overall, this quite handy. This is a really simple and nice tool, not anything high-end, but does exactly what it's supposed to do. This thing will lock in place with the little spring-loaded ball bearings. And yeah, nothing more that I can say about it. Happy with the purchase and with this old and ugly chair. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.